Want to see how many users come from desktop or mobile? GA4 stores device type in BigQuery, and it's super easy to filter or break it down. Hey, my name is Gala. I'm marketing BI analyst and the founder of Gallery Reports. On my website, you will find Looker Studio templates for marketing and sales, and blog about Google Sheets, Looker Studio, and marketing analytics. If you subscribe to my blog, you can get a free Looker Studio template based on GA4 data. Let's come back to our query. I already prepared query. If you don't know how to read it, come back to my previous videos about the first step when you set up GA4 export to BigQuery. This query, it's quite simple, I think. GA4 includes a field called device category. We can find it here, device, and here we have some options about device breakdowns. For now, we are interested in category because it shows whether the event came from a desktop, mobile, or tablet device, and we don't need more details for now. And what else do we need here? This I explained already. By default, event date is a string, so we need to transform it to date. Then we take device category and we take user pseudo ID as a user, and we should group by date and device type. We can run this query and we can see our user by our total users by device type by date. If you want to see only mobile players or users, you can add this clause, so to where section and device category like mobile, and you will see only mobile users, or you can group it to compare engagement, conversions, or revenue across device type combined with other queries. So it's a constructor, so I recorded already several videos and you can group all of them and found sessions, conversions, and so on. If you want more GA4 and BigQuery tutorials like this, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what metrics you track by device in your business.